Starting with the great and glorious name of Allah, who is the most compassionate and merciful. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hope you all are doing well and under the special bless of Allah. Let us start with our today's lecture. Dear students, this is the remaining on-book exercise of unit number 10, Technology in Everyday Life. Open up page 107 of your book. Exercise number 12. Identify the phrases in the following sentences and state their kind. Clear? We have to identify the phrases in the given sentences as well as we have to mention its kind. Clear? So, the first one, let us do it collectively. You can buy it in all places. So, in this sentence, in all places is a phrase. Clear? And you can get the idea in the from the context as well that this is adverbial phrase of place. It is an adverbial phrase, and in adverbial phrase its kind is adverbial phrase of place. Which one phrase is it? Adverbial phrase of place. Clear? Let us move towards the second one. He replied in a very rude manner. In a very rude manner. See? It is answering which one question? How did he reply? How? Clear? So, in a very rude manner. And it is adding to the meaning of the verb, replied. Clear? So, if you remember the term, the word, the part of speech that gives us more information or describe or add something to the meaning of a verb is called adverb. So, definitely this group of words that functions as an adverb in a sentence and giving us incomplete sense is definitely an adverbial phrase. Clear? This is adverbial phrase and its kind is adverbial phrase of manner. Clear? Adverbial phrase of manner. Which one phrase? Adverbial phrase of manner. Then part 3. How does he live without any worries? Without. Complex preposition. Simple preposition and complex preposition. Simple preposition is made up of single preposition. For example, in, at, on, up. Clear? And complex preposition upon, without. Clear? Into. So, without complex preposition. How does he live without any worries? So, without any worries is a prepositional phrase. Which one phrase? Prepositional phrase. Clear? Now come towards exercise number 13. Underline the clauses in the following sentences. So now we are going to underline. In the previous exercise it was to underline the phrases, and in exercise number 13 it is to underline the clauses and state whether they are adjective clause, adverb clause or noun clause. Clear? So first of all, please remember that all the noun clauses, the adverb clauses and the adjective clauses are dependent clauses. Dependent clauses means subordinate clauses. Clear? It depends upon the main clause, the independent clause. Clear? Hope it is clear to all of you because we have discussed it in the previous lectures, so you can go through that again if you have any confusion. So come towards the first one. The angler said that he hadn't caught any fish that morning. So remember it again. this point that all indirect speeches are noun clauses. Clear? This is an indirect speech. You know narrations, the direct and the indirect speech. So all the indirect speeches are noun clauses. Clear? The angler said that he hadn't caught any fish that morning. That he hadn't caught any fish that morning. Underline it and encircle noun clause. It is noun clause. Clear? Three options are given to us: adjective clause, adverb clause, noun clause. So the correct option for it is noun clause. Clear? Then come towards the second one. I wondered if she was free. If she was free is a clause. And which one clause is it? Adjective clause, adverb clause, noun clause. So the correct option is noun clause. Clear? Then part 3. Though he didn't receive formal schooling, he is clever and industrious. So the clause over here is though he didn't receive formal schooling. Adjective clause, adverb clause, noun clause. Its correct option is adverb clause. Though he didn't receive formal schooling is an adverb clause. Clear? Then part 4. The boys who misbehaved in the class were suspended. Who misbehaved in the class is a clause, adjective clause, adverb clause, noun clause. So its correct option is adjective clause. It is clear from the context as well if you think about it. Clear? Part 5. He who laughs last laughs best. He who laughs last laughs best. Who laughs last is a clause over here. Adjective clause, adverb clause, noun clause. So here it is noun clause. The correct option is noun clause. Clear? Hope it is clear to all of you. The first one is a noun clause. The second one is a noun clause. The third one is an adverb clause. The fourth one is an adjective clause. And the fifth one is a noun clause. Clear? Note down your today's homework. That is, you have to find out adjective clause, adverb clause, and noun clause. 2 adjective clauses, 2 adverb clauses, and 2 noun clauses in unit number 10. Clear? This is the end of our today's lecture. Take care of yourself. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.